Good day, everybody. Welcome to Flicker Brains and happy new month to everybody out there. Okay, let's log into our Google AdSense account. Let's see what we have summed up last month with. Okay, so this video, the last video I posted before this video, this particular account was on ad limits. If you're in this channel for a while, you'll notice that the last video I posted here, this channel was on ad limits, and I was telling you guys that you guys should not bother about that. We know how to tackle problems with ad limits. It's just give it like 3 days, the ad limit is going to go out. You understand? So let me show you guys that video. Okay, look at the video. This, you can see it here. This account was on ad limit that time when I was posting it. You can see it here. So look at the account now. You can see it's no longer on ad limits. Let me reload this. So you can see the account is no longer on ad limits, and we have our money has balanced on this account. We have balanced the last month with $31,000 on the account. You can see how effective the method is. So you don't need to bother about you getting ad limits on your account. Normally we don't even get ad limits on our account. I don't know what happened last month. Last month ending, most of the accounts faced ad limits, but I didn't know it's like there's a problem or something going on with Google. I didn't know why, but that's not a problem. We're still going, we're still moving smoothly. And you can see this month, you can see what we have started already. We have started this month with like $200 on this account already. You can see it here. You can see everything is still moving perfectly. Everything is still moving perfectly fine. You can see here, everything is still going well. So if you want to learn this method, this is a very unique method. It's actually safe. It's not the method that you work on your account, you start seeing suspension or you to get banned. It's something that's working and is effective. This account, so I've been loading this account throughout this year, and we're still receiving payment back to back on the account. This is a very, very strong account actually. I have other little accounts I work on partnership with my client, but this is my own AdSense account, personal AdSense account. If you notice, this is the account I normally post frequently on this account, on this page. For throughout this year, this particular account, I've been posting it consistently to show you guys that the method is effective, not a method that you use now after some time to drop. Even if you see little problems coming up, we make research to amend them. You understand? So that's by the way. So guys, if you're new here and you also want to learn this, if you check down the description box, you're going to see our contact info there. You can contact us and make more inquiries. Okay, safe loading everybody, and happy new month out there. Okay.